Welcome to our channel Vital Signs. Let's journey together towards a healthier future. Unlocking the power of flax seeds, 10 incredible benefits. Welcome back to our channel Vital Signs, where we explore the wonders of natural remedies and superfoods. Today, we have a tiny but mighty ingredient that's been making waves in the health and wellness community: flax seeds. These little seeds are packed with nutrition and offer a myriad of benefits for your overall well-being. Stick around as we dive into the top 10 benefits of flax seeds that might just change your life. Before we start, make sure to hit that subscribe button, so you never miss out on our empowering health content. Let's get started. Benefit number 1. Heart health. Did you know that flax seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3s help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Benefit number 2. Digestive health. Flax seeds are an excellent source of dietary fiber. They promote healthy digestion, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut. Benefit number 3. Weight management. Flax seeds' high fiber content helps you feel full and satisfied. They can aid in weight management by reducing overeating and snacking. Benefit number 4. Skin and hair. Flax seeds are a rich source of antioxidants and essential fatty acids. They can promote clearer skin, reduce acne, and strengthen hair. Benefit number 5. Diabetes management. The lignans in flax seeds may help improve blood sugar control. They can be a valuable addition to a diabetic-friendly diet. Benefit number 6. Bone health. Flax seeds are a source of micronutrients like calcium and magnesium. These nutrients support strong bones and may reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Benefit number 7. Hormonal balance. Flax seeds contain compounds that mimic estrogen. They can help alleviate menopausal symptoms and promote hormonal balance. Benefit number 8. Anti-inflammatory properties. Omega-3s in flax seeds have natural anti-inflammatory effects. They may reduce inflammation and symptoms in conditions like arthritis. Benefit number 9. Improved brain health. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain function. Including flax seeds in your diet may enhance cognitive abilities. Benefit number 10. Versatility in cooking. Flax seeds can be easily incorporated into various recipes. From smoothies to baked goods, they add a nutty flavor and nutritional punch. So, there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of flax seeds. These tiny powerhouses can make a significant difference in your health and well-being. Whether you're looking to improve heart health, manage weight, or enhance your skin and hair, flax seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel Vital Signs for more exciting videos on natural remedies and superfoods. Thanks for watching.